Hello, Tom here again with a very brief introductory vlog. Today is the distinguished gentleman's ride. Try saying that quickly. It's a worldwide sort of charity event in aid of men's mental health and various other ailments that affect men around the world. And I raised a couple of £100 for this event. Thousands upon thousands of pounds have been raised for this all over the world. Most major cities have got a ride today around the world, and hundreds of riders congregate in various cities to do a ride around a route. And the thing is that it's all meant to be like, you know, dapper clothes. That's why I'm dressed like this. So I've got my Triumph old school coat on with a suit and shirt and tie. I'll be riding this, my Royal Enfield, because it's kind of limited to like classic style bikes or old style bikes. So yeah, I just thought I'd do a sort of a vlog type video about this. Get some footage of the many weird and wonderful bikes that will be at the event. I think there's about 150 to 200 bikes taking part in the one that's local to me, which is Solent in the south of England. As I say, they're all over the country, they're all over the world. There's even one going on in Kiev, believe it or not. I looked at the website earlier on. I think there's about, it's a very small one, but shout out to the guys doing it in Kiev. Amazing that they're actually running an event. There's one in Odessa as well, and I think there's one in Lviv. So as I say, it's worldwide. Even in war zones, people are doing this for charity, so amazing stuff. Anyway, that's enough for me in this intro. I will get some footage of the ride. I won't be using my helmet camera because I'm going to wear a sort of open face helmet, and I don't want to stick my Drift Ghost X to the side of this helmet because I quite like the way it looks without the camera stuck on it. So I will stick my sort of cheapo rip-off GoPro to the front of my Royal Enfield and hopefully get some pretty cack 720p footage. But it's all right, it'll do for YouTube. Anyway, thanks for watching the intro, and here's some footage of the day and event. Yeah, so as you can see, the footage is not great from this fake GoPro thing that I stuck to the front of my bike. It's good enough for the to give you an idea of how big the ride was though, so it's not great, I apologise, but it does the job and I will keep it to a minimum. Right, here we are at the starting point for the gentleman's ride. It's the Harley Davidson garage in Southampton. Just had a chat with a nice gent about old bikes there, but I'll spin the camera around so you can have a look at some of the bikes that are here for the ride. So that's my bike, obviously. But here's a nice orange Norton. Right. Everyone dressed in their finery. Several hundred bikes here. This gentleman has a superb suit jacket on. Is that crushed velvet, is it, sir?
It is, yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Amazing.
Of course, yeah. What else?
Yeah, it's not up to look like the old school, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's sort of.
Loads of Royal Enfields. That's a nice one. Chrome GT Continental. That is a sparkly helmet. Just realised I think I've left my key in my ignition, but I'm sure my bike won't be stolen. Nice kilt. It's a nice day. Well, yeah, that's the that looks like the starting. So because this is in aid of Movember, you get one of these moustaches to stick on your bike, which I will do in a second. So here's the fake GoPro that I'm going to use to video some of the ride, but there's my Movember sticker that I've managed to cock up on the little windscreen on the front of my Royal Enfield. So yeah, more bikes has arrived in here now. This is inside the Harley Davidson showroom, right now near the start line. Look at that. Some serious machines in here. And then these. Right, the ride's just about to start now, so this is where all the engines start up. This is going to be pretty loud. We're here now at the first pit stop to regroup. There was a bit of a cock-up because Southampton has got about 1 million sets of traffic lights and they're in really stupid places. So the group got quite broken up and everyone spread out, and it's not the fault of the organisers, it's the fault of, well, nobody really, but Southampton has way too many traffic lights, and because of that we all got split up. But now we're back together here at the Old Forge. Hopefully you can see that, the Old Forge pub, and all the bikers are here. Suddenly sort of just regrouping now, as you can see. So yeah. we've arrived at the final destination, which is Bursledon Brickworks. Everybody's just arriving now. As you can see, as you can hear, it's pretty loud. It's weird, but I'll spin the camera around so you can see. Yeah, people are still arriving now, but this is just kind of like a bit of an outro. It was a really nice ride, apart from the first bit where everybody got broken up in Southampton due to the traffic lights. We're here now at Bursledon Brickworks, which is somewhere I've never actually been before. It's a big museum to do with bricks, of all things. So I might have a bit of a wander around here, but yeah, thanks for watching the video. I've met some really nice people here today, and thanks to everybody who supported the ride, who donated to me. I might put the link in the description. There's no obligation to donate. I just put it in there anyway, just so you can see the people who donated, and just as a thank you to them, really. So thanks for watching this, and hopefully it was in some way entertaining, and you've learned a little bit about what the gentleman's ride is. You may never have heard of it before, and to all those people around the world doing it as well, hope your ride went as well, and the weather held out as nice as this weather has held out for us here in Southampton. Right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.